What's going on, everybody? Back with another video. We have this Ducati Super Sport S. It's a 2018 model. Do a little walk around. So today I'm going to do a pure sound video, just to let you guys know. Basically a stock Ducati pure sound video, going for a relaxed ride, perfect weather. But yeah, I picked this Ducati Super Sport S in 2019 at Ducati Newport Beach. She is a beauty, and I've had it since then. There's something about Ducati Red that is so fire. Literally. You have the Olin suspension, the Brembo brakes. So this is the S model. It has those upgrades, and let me tell you, the Brembo, it is a game changer for, you know, using your brakes. You can definitely feel it. Alright, let's go for a ride. Get you guys a cold start. So as of right now, I have 5,225 miles on him. So when I got this bike, it was around, I think, 2,000 miles. So yeah, I don't really use it as a daily. It's more like a kind of like a weekend relax ride and kind of enjoy, especially right now with this beautiful weather. Let her warm up a little bit. But yeah, today's video, we're just gonna do a Ducati Super Sport S pure sound, kind of like a relaxed ride, and let you guys hear it, how a stock Super Sport S sounds like. So there it is, guys. Ducati Super Sport S, pure sound. Give you guys another walk around the bike. The front looks so mean with the LEDs. Yeah, so if you're ever interested in getting a Ducati, I definitely suggest test riding one because they are so fun to ride. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.